Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns or edits the form. Once signed in, go to Forms. Google.com and open the specific form you want to change. Make sure you have editor permissions. If you don't, request access from the owner now. Once you confirm editing rights, proceed directly to Form Settings so you can alter the interface language and any locale-dependent options without interruption. Now, open the Settings gear in the top right of the form editor. In Settings, locate the Language or Locale section. Change it to English. This updates labels and locale-specific formats. While you're there, adjust date, time, and number formats to match the chosen English variant, for example, US versus UK. Make sure to save or confirm changes so those format options apply to existing and new questions. This prevents mismatches in responses and validation. Finish by previewing the form as a respondent to confirm every control and label now appears in English. If something still shows another language, reopen Settings and reselect the English locale, then save again. If the change doesn't stick, sign out and sign back into your Google account or switch to another account and return. This forces language preferences to reload. One key troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.